All right, we have done some changes here to the plumbing. We changed the drain and vent so that they don't come down and across below the ceiling now. They are up in the ceiling. You see there is the drain, there's the vent. They've got a 1/4 of an inch per foot of slope on them. The vent's a little more shallow and the drain is up higher. And then we have some Sharkbites, and then we have some PEXs with Tektite with stainless steel collars. And so those are all set up. There's a laundry sink is going to go there. Got a wash machine outlet there. There's the drain for it. The drain is 19.5 inches high and code is 18 to 24. And then we have a vent here and a 2-inch waste there. And so everything is working out pretty good, and it goes into the main stack, which is just outside the wall there. There is the old pipe there that's eliminated. We dropped it down lower so that we could get the laundry in here. Then we put in a new double LVL 1 3/4 by 10 couple of beams here that are bolted into an old 5x5 rough sawn beam. And so the floor is level now. The beam straightened out the dip that was here. And so we have some timber lock bolts that are holding the beam to the old beam on both sides. So this worked out pretty good. We'll eliminate that post there a little later. And anyway, it was fun to get the beam up in there, but it will turn into a nicely finished out basement for these friends of ours a little later. So you see here how the drain comes down here, goes into a 45 there, and then a long 90 elbow here, and then across into another long 90 elbow, and it has a slope to it, 1/4 inch per foot. And you can hear the water coming down here, so everything is working nicely. Okay, so that concludes today's exciting construction project. And there again, you see the new beam in here, and that first post will be eliminated. The second post will have to stay for now. The joists over on that side are over the beam there, so they scissor on top of that. So that's a different issue to resolve. Okay. Oh, you got hook up the laundries. Yeah, they'll like that. All right. And then we'll box in these pipes here between the windows and a little bit of a soffit. Are you going to do a soffit in the ceiling or just leave it open?
Soffit.
Soffit.
It's all be covered.
Yeah.
All the plumbing will be covered.
Yeah. And the ceiling, I think it's close to 8 feet at the joists and 6.5 under the beam. Okay.